Hi, this is Kenny Daigle with KD Cuts. And it's a beautiful day here in New Orleans. It's January, the sun is shining, so we're outside to show you a little technique that I call knockdown staining. So right here on the workbench, on the outside workbench, I have a couple of bracelets that I've already tooled. And one of them I've stained with blue, and the other one with fuchsia. And I've used the Tandy water-based stains, the EcoFlow water-based stains. So now what I'm going to do, after letting these guys set up for at least 24 hours, is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use the Tandy Hi-lite smoked black stain on top of the basic colors. So let's go ahead and get started.
Go.
Okay, so let's take the Tandy smoked black highlight stain and let's open it up. And you'll notice I'm wearing plastic gloves. So basically, I'm going to stick my finger in the stain, and I'm just going to liberally apply it to the piece that I'm working on. Make sure I've got it really liberally applied to that surface. Okay? There's the fuchsia. Let's go ahead and do the blue next. And again, I'm making sure I use a real liberal application. You'll notice that I'm not using any sort of applicator. I'm just using my finger and a plastic glove. And I've got those two things very well treated with the Hi-lite smoke stain. Now, I am not going to wipe off the excess. I'm going to let these set up for at least 24 hours before I try and wipe off the excess stain. Okay, so I've waited overnight to wipe the stain off of the two bracelets. Now actually on the fuchsia, I just waited overnight. I didn't wait 24 hours. And you'll see how much of the stain stayed. Here's the blue, and let this actually go a full 24 hours. Now I know I'm outside in low light and it might be hard to see, but the blue highlights are just barely coming through. So I'll show you another one I did also. This is red, where I'll let it set overnight. So obviously the longer you let the highlight stain stand on the base color, you'll get more of the base color knocked down or knocked out. And of course, the darker the color, like the blue, you'll get less of the base color coming through. So that's why I call this knockdown staining. So I'm going to take these bracelets, I'm going to put hardware on them, finish the edges, and show you what they look like. Okay, so I finally finished putting the bracelets together. You'll notice that I've used line 20 hardware and the contrasting stitch line. The edges, I've used Tandy's black edge coat to do the edges, to finish the edges. And you'll notice that the darker blue, the contrast is a lot subtler than with the lighter colors. Let's roll these over for you, so you can just see how that came out. So again, to summarize, this is a Tandy EcoFlow water-based stain for a base. Then I use the black Tandy Hi-lite stain smoke. And I've also done the same technique with the Tandy gel, the black gel antique stain, and got more or less the same effect. I have not tried any of the lighter stains on any of the base coats yet. That'll be a subject for a future video. And that's it. So if you found this interesting, please hit the like button down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks. See you soon.